Hi everyone, here we are at the Dollar Tree, and let's go through the crafter section to see if we find something new. Okay, alright, so these beads, the colors are coming a little bit lighter. They're a little bit different than the older kind that used to bring in. So that's what I'm noticing there. Here are your foam beads. Here's some pearls. Here's some iridescent, some sequins. Metallic beads, the regular beads. I'm just kind of going through. I don't want to miss anything. We have your felt, your craft boxes. These are your little craft bottles. These are the gold beads, and these metallics here, I'm loving those colors. Here's the silver ones, the clothespins and the twine. And they have the stickers, but these are the numbers. Then they did bring back the little mini glass containers. And these are the large ones, and these are the small ones. So here's the round tags, the clothespin tags, your feathers. Here's your wooden cubes. There's your chalkboard tags. Here's your pom-poms. So here we have some twine, jute twine. On the bottom we have some more of the larger glue sticks. I love these. And the cork sheets. These are awesome. They have the craft glue over there. Okay, let's see. Here's the piercing and scoring tool, and these pump spray bottles. These are pretty awesome. These are the applicator containers. The glitter glue. Here's the glitter glue. Look at all those colors. Beautiful. Tacky glue. And here's some yarn. They've been stocking up big time on the yarn. Okay, so all of the colors in this location is the one by my mom's house. They're stocking up really well. Here's your acrylic paint, and here's your watercolors. These are your poster paint, and these are your watercolors. These paints right here. These are washable, and I think these are Crayola. Yes, these are Crayola. Okay, here is Rich Art and the Prang. They're pretty stocked, and this is the Rich Art also. Down here we have the flat canvases, but here's what I want to show you. They have, this is new here. This is like outdoor spray exterior upholstery paints. Isn't that awesome? But it only comes in that kiwi color. So this is new to this Dollar Tree. That's pretty. I like that. That's pretty awesome. Okay, so here we have the assortment of the sponge brushes. These are the ones that I like because they're all the same size. They have the long dowels. Here's your Mod Podge and your tacky glue. I don't know. We have some of these little wooden, like snakes and fish. Yeah, snakes and fish. And then down here, I'll show you what's new. So these are not new, the laser boxes. Then you have the birdhouses, but these boxes here are new to our Dollar Tree. And then here they go in the round. These are great pencil holders, or any kind of project we can think of. Those are new. We have the easel chalkboards here, the applicators, the container organizers, and the clamps. We have the wooden signs. Everything's kind of like thrown everywhere, so I'll show you what I can. These are the crates. I was looking for the bigger crates, but I don't see them. And this sign here says cute. This one is always here. The stand-up signs, some of them say love, some of them say home. Love. Okay, I don't want to knock that down. So here's the pencil and brush organizer and the totes. And I'm not seeing anything new here, but they did bring back these, what are they calling these? Wood hanging decor. This is the star and the tag sign. And I'm loving this heart. This is such a beautiful one. And there's the round one. So they brought these back. Then they brought the little flowers, and here's the star. Okay, some more stencil wheels and the crosses. And the picture frames, I'm liking the arrows, so they stocked up on the arrows. So I think I want to get one of the shorter arrow. And they have the chalkboards, and these are the silhouettes. Here are the crosses. These are so nice. So that's what I'm noticing so far. And nothing here is new. These pieces, the cactus, the silhouette of the unicorn, the butterfly. And then here are these trays. So these crates come in 2 sizes. So the bigger sizes, everybody kind of swiped those. I wanted to do a DIY I saw on YouTube. Okay, now I'm not seeing anything new as far as the sticker section. So I'll just kind of scan those for you. And then we'll go see what else we can find. And then look at the rack over here they set up with all this yarn, which I think is pretty awesome. Okay, let's go see what else we can find. Okay, so I made my way over here where they have the pens and the school supplies. So they're pretty stocked over here too. I don't know, everything seems kind of mixed up in this store because they have the kids packed with crayons. So this is almost like the teacher section, I would find this. But let's go with the flow. So we have your number 2 pencils, and here's the bold tips, and the markers and the crayons. Okay, and so I was looking for some stickers, and I think they moved them over here. So here are the ones, the glitter ones, and there they are in the purple and the blue. Oh look, they even have orange. These are the Mickey Mouse stickers. Those are the My Pony. Then they have these stickers here. Okay, so look at these. Oh, how cute. You're bacon me crazy. Legendary. But these are really cute. Look at the avocado. You guac my world. How cute. And then look at that one over there. Isn't that cute? That's new. I've never seen that one. And I'm loving these stickers. Aren't these stickers beautiful? I think these are laser cut stickers. So let's see what else they have. So they have the toucan. And then they have that one, BFF. I like those. They're so cute. Okay, then they have the Minnie Mouse. They have these, the Tonka ones. Those Tonka ones are new. And then they have these. This one says, I love God. Here are the crosses. These are so nice. They have these. So they kind of have the stickers over by the craft section and over here by the school section. So those are really nice. Okay. Then they have these stickers here. Okay. And they have those other laser cut stickers here. So these are like the police vehicle, construction vehicles. Look at these. Aren't they pretty? And these. Okay. And look, funny faces. So it says free app. Create 250 visual masks. That's pretty cool. And then they have these, the markers. Okay, so the glitter paper they have in this green, and they have these poster boards. You get 4, so I think I'm going to grab one of those. Okay, and carry that. What are these? Okay, so here's some more markers. So they have these coloring pads, I think, or doodle pads. They're pretty stocked. Okay, so they have those erasers, the tacky glue, the Elmer's glue. What are these? Oh, look, they have the poster board with those shapes, the regular glue, and they do have the clear glue right here. That's pretty nice. I like working with that glue. So look at these pens. Okay, so these are frozen. Then they have these pads. Look, they have these Crayola pouches. Those are really nice. They come in that pink, orange, yellow, and that green. And then they have these notepads you stick on the fridge. The little pocket ones. Here's the little pocket notebooks. What does that one say? Take note. These are nice. Okay. Then these are your post-it notes. Then you have your receipt books along the bottom. Okay, and I'm absolutely loving these couture pens. These are so nice. The highlighters too, I can vouch for those, are really nice too. This one says Reach. I like these. Okay, so your notebooks, so look at this area right here. It's like fully stocked. This was totally empty the last time I was here. Okay, what is this? So I've never seen this before, so I think this is new. Pen stylo. There's your paper receipt books, your notebooks. These are pads. Never stop looking up. These are really nice. What does that one say? Style While. Notes. So you have this little notebook here, and look, they even have the mermaid pen. And these stickers here, I like these stickers. Made it on time, taxes tackled, didn't get fired. That's pretty neat. Here's the desk toppers. They still have those. These are new. These pom-pom critters. And this shape decor. Okay, shape decor, word problems. So you can still come here for your activity books. They have the learning on the go, subtraction. All of these things can keep the young ones busy. So I'm really for that. You could see them here. And I think these are storybooks. Look, these are on animals. Question and answer. Isn't that nice? Question and answer. And then this one is science. Question and answer. That is really nice. Then they have these wristbands. So what do these messages say? Fantastic. You're a star. Amazing. Oh, I like those. Okay, here are the flashcards. Dr. Seuss. The stickers. So they have some more of these paper cutouts. And I like these hand-shaped ones. They have the little trays. So they're still stocking up this section. Then they stocked up the erasers and the erase boards. And I'm liking these receipt type of expandable folders. It's the only one I see there. And then these must be for pencils. Girl vibes. Okay, and then you have your binders over here and your folders. And let's see what's over here. So you have that big calculator, and there's scissors, the Westcott scissors. I like these. I'm getting used to these. Those are a good buy. Your number 2 pencils, you get 24 for $1. That's a nice buy too. And this bonded Westcott, this is new. The children's scissors and the stickers, the Scotch tape, your binder clips, your big cover up. That's pretty neat for $1. I don't think they cost $1 on the outside. And then we get into the books. Oh, look at this, the magnetic bookmarkers. Grace, Hope, Believe. I think those are really nice. Your pencil sharpeners, and what are these? These are also pencil sharpeners, and your glue sticks. What is this? Post-attack. Non-toxic. I like these. I don't think I've seen these here before. So this is all they have in the craft area and by the school area. So guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree just to browse around and take a look at what they have. So I will see you. I hope you're having an awesome day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.